Hi guys, today using one of our BestCode continuous inkjet printers, we're going to talk about the Fluidic screen and what we can do with it. And to get here guys, we're just going to simply from the home screen hit service. Down at the bottom you'll see Fluidic, so let's hit this and we'll start talking about it guys. The Fluidic screen is used for testing valve and pump function. Enabling each valve should cause an audible click. And let's say our print head has a three-way valve. So when you're activating and deactivating this, listen for the click-clack when cycling the valve on and off. So here I'm just going to show you. I don't know if you can hear this in the video, but I'm going to try. You can actually hear the valves inside the machine turning on and off. And if somebody was trying to troubleshoot a valve, a two-way valve, this is what we would listen for. And last, we have our pump run. Pressing this up and down causes the pump to turn on. Actual pressure and actual RPS are displayed right here on the screen. So if you want to add pressure to our system in the technician aspect of it, you just press these arrows up or down. And once you start pressing them, the ink will flow until you press stop. But that's about it for the Fluidic screen. Thank you.